I had two ravens once, both the sweetest things you ever seen. One took half my soul and ate it up, the other kept his half for dreams. No one ever thought to say dreams are not for us to hold. That's some giddy madness, don't you think? That reality would be so bold. The envy eats what's left of me, which isn't much, perhaps a shadow on the floor, a vaporous kiss from tongue-tied lips, a dying man's touch. How I wish my second raven hadn't been so swift to rupture, miss it. Now I'm too ashamed to mention. Now I'm too ashamed to mention. My love, my love. My soul is empty for an answer, unable to be seen. I cannot bear this dim, each stumbling. I am so weak. Wisdom streaked with scribbled vision, pricked out with claws, and the wildness of it all. I wish I had him, not the kicks or keeps that never cheat, the wit and fashion from his tongue, string out worlds like pearls of song, perhaps the intrigue of his mind, though his claws prick my insides. It's where I'd lay my crown of pearls to die. It's where I lay my crown of pearls to die. But he's a thief, he is not mine. But he's a thief, he is not mine. But he's a thief. I'm inside out, chomping at the bit. So many questions in my head, ruining every bit of it. I'm blitzed and I'm mixed and I'm ready to admit my addiction to your rhythm. It defines my new religion, and figuratively speaking, I'm overheating, bulldozing through my tension, supernovaed on your medication. Really just a heathen eating, cheesing from your eating. I'm the feeling that you're falling when you're dreaming. I don't mean to intrude, I just need you to be my muse. You're for me and I'm for you. You put the ooh into my groove. You're the heartbeat of my tune. I'm the missing part in a loop of you. We're the two halves of the moon. I'm a falling star falling for you. You're a tune that I learn, I'll ruin if you hurt me. Open your lotus with a crowbar to show this love is a mysterious voyage through oceans that flow through the folds like delirious love potions. They mold us, they hold us, they told us we'd heal. But here we are here and we're still not quite near. But I've a feeling we're nearing the meaning of being. On the surf of these words and these verses I'm bleeding, and I'm the queen of your siren. I'm the dream that you're craving. I'm the brightest beam of the luminous sheen of your ocean. I'm your deepest dark creature, your madness, your sea star. I'm right here to show you. I'll be your harbour, I'll be your shelter. I'm your brother, your sister, the one you love more than the sea. Without me you'll drag your feet on eternity's breeze. This song only an echo to worship your needs. But if you hurt me you'll drift and you'll never be free. If you hurt me you'll drift and you'll never be free. You'll never be free. You'll never be free.